In the comments to some of the other videos, I've been requested to do some local favorites to the Delmarva area. I have a true local favorite for you. I'm not sure you've ever heard of it, much less tasted it, but it is awesome, and I'm gonna show you all about it. Scrapple is absolutely delicious. You can have Scrapple for breakfast, you can have it for lunch, you can have it for dinner. We have a local festival called the Apple Scrapple Festival, and as you can tell, we celebrate everything apples and Scrapple in the fall. It's a really cool festival with live music, and you walk around the street vendors and there's Scrapple and apples everywhere. Scrapple is very unique to us here on Delmarva, but we take it for granted. You know, when you get too far outside of Delmarva, outside of Delaware, Maryland, Pennsylvania, and Virginia, it gets pretty hard to find Scrapple. Let me know if you have some type of Scrapple or something similar where you're from. Leave that in the comments down below.
As you can see, Scrapple's not something you want to consume regularly, but Scrapple's a wonderful treat every once in a while. If you didn't see the ingredients, Scrapple's basically made up of the rest of the pig that isn't processed for normal cuts. What we say in the Mid-Atlantic is Scrapple is everything but the oink. Now, I think they do offer Scrapple in beef, and I think I've even seen chicken, and I guess it's probably made the same way. I don't have a whole lot of experience with those other types. Pork is the #1 way Scrapple is processed and produced. And what they do is they take the parts of the pig and they put it in a big kettle, they boil it all down, they add some spices, pull the bones and the cartilage and things out that you don't want to eat, and then they create loaves. So Scrapple comes pre-cooked. I don't know of anyone that eats it raw, but there may be some folks out there that do. In general, I think most people want to get a nice sear on the Scrapple, so it's got a little crispy crust on the outside and it's still nice and soft on the inside. However, a lot of different people out there, and people like their food different ways. Some people like Scrapple soft so that you just barely have a sear on the outside. Some people like it really seared so it's almost crunchy all the way through. For me, I bring a frying pan up to medium-high heat, put my Scrapple on, and I cook it for about 5 minutes on each side. You can kind of look at the side of the Scrapple, and that's going to give you a good idea of how much of a sear you have. You really don't want to mess with it too much until it's ready to flip.
Scrapple. You can cook it a little bit less than what I did, and it'll be, you know, a little more soft without the crunch on the outside. I personally don't like it any less than this. I want just a little bit of crunch on the outside and nice and soft on the inside. Pair it with some eggs and have breakfast for dinner. That's what we're doing tonight. There's nothing like breakfast for dinner. And you know, some toast. You can put it on some bread, eat a Scrapple sandwich by himself. That's what they serve at the Apple Scrapple Festival I was telling you about. You can just eat Scrapple by itself, you know. It's not something you can eat a whole lot of because it's, you know, the opposite of healthy, but you really enjoy it when you get a chance to eat it. It's absolutely amazing. If you're ever in the Mid-Atlantic, please have some Scrapple. And in the comments down below, let me know if you've ever had Scrapple, if you know what Scrapple is, if you have a different kind of Scrapple in your area. It'd be awesome to hear what you guys have in your area and your experience with Scrapple, if any. I appreciate you watching the video all the way to the end. I can't wait to see you next time. That's where it's at.